Storing access codes and alarm panel info digitally is a great way to keep your home or office secure, while making it easy to access important information when needed. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to securely store these details in a way that's both simple and effective, so you never have to worry about losing them. First, let's talk about security. The key to storing access codes and alarm panel info digitally is using a secure and reliable system. Whether it's for your home security system or office access, you want to ensure that only authorized people can access this information. That's where password managers come in. A password manager is a great tool for securely storing all your access codes and alarm panel information. These apps encrypt your data, meaning your information is protected and only accessible with a master password or other authentication methods like biometric scans. There are several popular password manager apps you can choose from, but not all of them are made equal. After trying a few of the most popular ones, I found that the software we'll be using today is the best for storing sensitive information, including access codes and alarm panel info. It's simple to set up and has all the features you'll need, from strong encryption to multi-device syncing, ensuring your data is always accessible when needed. Now, let's get into the steps. The first thing you'll need to do is download and set up the software we'll be using. Once that's done, it's time to add your information. Most password managers allow you to create secure entries for different types of data. You'll create a new entry for your access codes and alarm panel info and fill in the details. For alarm panel info, you'll want to include the panel model, location, and any specific instructions or codes that are important. It's a good idea to organize it in a way that's easy to search later on. So, for example, you might have one entry for each panel or access point. Next, add your access codes to your password manager. Make sure to include any associated usernames or other login details if applicable. You can also take advantage of the ability to categorize or tag your entries for even easier organization. The more organized you keep it, the easier it will be to find what you need when you need it. Once everything is entered, the password manager will take care of the rest, securely encrypting your data and syncing it across all your devices. You can now access your information on your phone, tablet, or computer with ease anytime you need it. And here's something important: do not store sensitive access information in unsecured places like regular notes, apps, or documents. While it may seem convenient, these options lack the protection you get with a password manager and can leave you vulnerable. To make sure you're getting the most out of this process, I recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using, which you can find in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: storing access codes and alarm panel info digitally is safe and convenient when you use a secure password manager. Take the time to enter your info carefully and organize it for easy access. And remember, don't rely on unsecured storage methods. To recap, use a password manager, organize your information, and keep it secure. Don't forget to grab the free trial from the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.